Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am with these shaker embellishment in front of you with see how beautiful it is. And these can be created in a very simple steps and can be used in your scrapbooks, school projects, envelopes, and many more places. So here I have created an envelope using this shaker embellishment created by me. I hope it's liked by you. And this I have created using theme of kids. Like if you want to create any album with a baby theme, then you can use it, or you can also use these embellishments on envelopes or baby shower theme. And this I have created with the theme of love or valentine or wedding purpose albums. Okay, so like I have created one envelope using the same theme, and if I want I can paste it here and see how pretty it is looking. So shaker embellishments gives volume to your project and it enhances a lot. If you only stick this much to this envelope, then it speaks a lot about it. Okay, so without wasting time, in this tutorial I will show you how I created this embellishments, and I hope you will like. If you like, then please do subscribe my channel. Okay, now let's discuss on what material we required to begin with that shaker embellishment. So for that I need one cardstock, circle, and then rings which I have created using circle nestled dies like this way. I have used these dies to create these rings. Then one top ring which I have decided to create it with silver cardstock, which is from Dress My Craft, silver mirror cardstock. Okay, so then few shaker embellishments like little hearts from Dress My Craft, then pearls, few floral pearls, and few die cuts, fussy cuttings, which I will use in this